Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use Submagic artificial intelligence, the fastest and easiest way to add caption to your short videos for TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to upload your video, generate captions automatically, style them and export ready to post content that looks professional and keep viewers watching. Alright, let's get started without further any ado. So first of all, what actually is submaging? So you already understand by using this example that what really is submaging. So if you are new to Submagic, it is an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to automatically transcribe your videos and add dynamic trendy captions. You know, the big bold words, emojis, keyword highlights, the kind that you see on viral TikTok and Instagram Reels. No more wasting hours adding captions manually. Submaging does it for you in seconds right in your browsers. So here we are going to create our account. So I already have an account, so I will log into that account. So just click to the login and it will redirect us to the login panel. But if I click to the incognito window, first of all, you just need to go to the submagic.com and then create a free account. So here you just need to click free shorts and then they will give you the option to create an account. So here you just need to provide your email address, then password, and just click to the sign up with email, and it will redirect you to the dashboard. They have a free plan to test it out, but keep in mind that free exports have a watermark and limited minutes. Once you logged in, you will land on your main dashboard. Here actually you can see it. Then here you can see your recent project and start a new one. So we already created a couple of projects over that place. So here we have this one. So now I'm going to upload my video over here. So here you just need to click on this one, create generate captions, or here you can create folder for you. So I will click over here, just click to the generate captions. Once I click over here, then here they are, you are hit your video upload limit, upgrade your upload mode. So we already uploaded, like we already hit our limited, that's why we are not able to do it. Let's delete this one. Let's see does it work or not. So let's delete this one also. Let's delete this one and let's refresh. And here you can see the trial plan only provide us 3. Like let's click to the get free videos. So let's refer it, show your own personal invite link and visit 50 videos when your friends subscribe. So let's go, let's open this one, copy the link, and let's create another account in here. Just click this one and then I will click to log in with Google. Just click over here, then log in with this one. Just click to the continue, and the process is really simple. That's why I choose Google. And here you can see they're telling us invite your team to collaborate. I just want to skip it for now. And here actually we get this one, they are telling us to upload our videos. So here generate caption with AI. So I just need to be upload here 3 videos so I can get the results. So let's go, we try and a great thing. So let's refresh this one. Does we get any 15 videos free videos plan? To get 15 videos by inviting your friends, share your own personal invite link and visit 15 when your friends subscribe. So our friend already been subscribed, so we did not get any plan 15 videos plan. So let's click this one. So it's not working, so I will close this one, and here we actually start one. So let's upload our video. Just click to the generate captions, and once it's done, then here we will get the option for upload and a video. So I am going to upload a video. Then let's go to this one. Let's go, I will go to this one. Let's click to the short, and then I will choose this one and I will upload it here. So it is a 4.51 video length. So you can drag and drop your video file or select it from your computer. Submagic work best with short form videos, ideally under 3 minutes, perfect for short and reels. So I will click, like here you can see we have a couple of options called language. So I will leave it English, the multi-speaker theme. I will disable this one because it's a one-way speaker, so I don't need this one. So now I will click to the generate uploading and it will be uploaded. Once your video uploads, Submagic AI automatically start transcribing your audio. This usually takes just a few seconds. When it's done, you will see your video with the captions already added on screen, synced to your voice. It is super accurate if your audio is clear, but you can always fix words manually if you need to. So here you can see it actually working. So Submagic AI is working. Your video will be ready in 1 minute 7 seconds. Generating caption, artificial intelligence, emoji generation has been complete, and now highlighting important words here. So it will take a couple of minutes. So we just need to keep patience. And now actually you can see our subheading generating has been done. Let's play the video and everyone, and here actually you can see it is working perfectly. So I just want to select an options. This will be the style. Just I chosen style. Now comes to the fun part, styling your caption. On the left side you will see caption template. This is the caption template. This control the look of your text. You can choose from dozen of style: bold keywords, highlight, then emoji that match your words, animate word by word reveals, then refresh font and colors. Pick one that match your brand or the vibe of your video. Submagic shows you a live preview so you can tweak it until it looks perfect. So here I will select one of them. So I think this one will be good. Then I will come back to this place, customize typo, or you can click this customize options, and here actually you can increase the size of the video. Then I will change the font color. I will make it black here, and here actually you can see it. Stroke color will be white. I think I don't want any stroke color, so I will click on none, and here I will change the font. I will make it this one railway or roboto. You can choose this one like Montserrat. Then I will make it bold and then uppercase, yes, and I will make it Poppins, and here I will make it bold or medium. Yeah, medium will be good. And then I will change the main color will be this, and here actually you can see the color already been changes to our YouTube channel. And in this quick do this kind of a thing with this platform. So when you find out that your design already been done, now you are easy to go. So just click over here, and now actually you can see it already been done. So you can edit caption and customizations. Like here, if you click onto the edit caption, if you spot any mistake, just click on a word and edit the text directly. Like I think I just found out this one pricing, so I will edit it and I will give a price, and I already added here price. I will highlight the color with this price for 2025, and it already been added, and the accuracy is 98.59%. So you can also adjust the timing if something off through the AI does a great job most of the time. Want to match your brand colors? No problem. Click the style editor to change the font colors, text size, or add effect like background highlights. You can even toggle emojis on or off if you want to cleaner look. Like here, just click to the choose time and click to the button, and here you will this option to auto emojis stop, or you can make it none. It's totally depend on you. So I will make it none. Then I am able to resize for any platform. This is another cool feature, like you can resize your video for different platform. Click the aspect ratio. In the bottom you will find out the change video ratio option. Just select any of them ratio from that place. Like click the aspect ratio button and pick the TikTok reels. Like TikTok reels ratio will be 9:16. So YouTube short or square, just select this one, and here actually you can see it already been done. So I will make it 16:9 for the YouTube one. Submagic automatically adjusts your caption so they stay inside the safe zone. You can track your video around to reframe it perfectly for mobile. So now when you find out that all work is been done, now you just need to export your video. When you are happy with your caption, you just need to click export, choose your resolution. Must people go with 180p for shorts and reels. You just need to click on export, and here you just will get to choose a standard one. There is a couple of other one has. Then you can select the FPS, and then just remove watermark. If you have enough money to purchase the premium one, then go with the watermark remove, then you will get the real video. Then you just need to click to the export. Then to remove it, you just need a paid plan, which is worth it if you post often. Submaging will render your video and let you download it in just a minute or two. So let's give you an extra tip and best practice. Keep your caption big and clear. Small text is hard to read on mobile. Then use images sparingly to keep them fun but not distracting. And highlight keywords to grab attention as people scroll. And always use proofread your caption. Viewers will notice mistake. And that's it. You have just learned how to caption your videos in a minute with Submagic AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick creator tools, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I always reply. I will leave my Submagic link in description if you want to try it out. Thanks for watching and happy creating.